Hey, okay, so I've got a Yale rim cylinder. This was knocked up by #1 pick junkie as a bit of a challenge lock for me. So let's give it a go. I'm going to go top of the keyway and this very short hook, Sparrow's short hook. They're usually 5 pins, these rims. So let's go on that premise. There's a knuckle here, so I'm just going to wiggle my way to the back. If I set anything along the way, all good. Okay, a little bit pushing down on pin 5. I don't know what's inside here, so I'm just going to use light tension for now. But yeah, thank you to #1 pick junkie for all these locks and time and effort he's put into it. Really appreciate it. And I get to make loads of new vids, which is great. Okay. Yeah, I've tightened up on the tension a touch. See if I can get a bit more feedback. A bit of a binding feedback there. Alright, I just felt a little tiny move on the core. Pin number 3 I'm on. I do recall him saying something about number 3. Kept dropping or something. Right, a little false set there from pin number 1. Nice false set. And a bit further, going under pin number 3. A little bit of feedback on 5. Lost the false set. Got it back on pin 1. A little bit further, one wriggling under pin 3. There's a bit of feedback there. Lost the false set again. I see what he means now. There we go, pin number 1. Right, I took the liberty of taking the pin off, the clip off the back of this. Sorry, old age is getting to me. Right. Apologies. Glad it's still open because I haven't got a key. Just make sure it's not going to fall into that groove. I should put a shim or something on that really. We'll just do that. Right, so 5 pins. Let's have a look at these pins then. There's 5, 4, 3, 2. Your typical Yale bottom key pins. There's nothing in that, just a little bit of wear and tear. And in the bevel, so standard brass. Ah, okay, so these are the heavy serrated GG pins then, must be. And there's a spool in number 3. Another GG pin in 4. And another spool in 5. Nice, that was a fun little pick, that. Just have a quick close up. Okay, so we've just got standard brass along the bottom here. And at the top, standard GG spool, GG spool. Yeah, there's always something in there. Right, thank you ever so much. Nice one, Pick Junkie. So that's the Yale rim cylinder, SPP'd and gutted. Cheers all, take it easy, like, subscribe, comment, and catch you soon. Be good.